Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2779th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. That's July 24th, 2024. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky. If you get it wrong and you do not have stops in protective buy and sell stops, you could lose way more than you think. So please put your stops in and put them in first no matter what market you choose to trade. Now, trade is for markets that should be open on 7/24/2024. You're looking at the Dow Jones Transportation Average, deemed the leader of all indices by Charles Dow himself, so we don't argue with that. And all I have to say about that is, boy, what a difference one day can make. Yesterday we have beaming buy OMNI signals, and the market literally on Wednesday was a buyer of dips all day, right until the end of the day. So for day trading, that was a great opportunity or a great signal. But by the close on Wednesday, well, I should say by the close on Tuesday, everything changed. What a difference one day can make. Why? And now we have a red OMNI in the U.S. indices. Was a green OMNI flipped to a red OMNI in one day. Spent only 1 day green, went right back to red. How about that, huh? So now we've got a red OMNI for trading on Wednesday. Now let's take a look at this. If this is the leader, and that's what Dow Jones, Charles Dow, who created the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's named after him. He deems the transportation average the leader of all U.S. indices. Not every day, doesn't have everything by the hip, but overall it's the leader. Well, we had a double top. None of the other double tops worked, if you remember. Russell didn't work, right? Dow Jones Industrial Average blew right through the double top. NASDAQ never stopped for its double top. But who did? The leader, the transportation average. Top one, right? Top two. And what happened? It pulled back. This was the omen. Guess this was the omen that the other markets that went through their double tops weren't going to last that long. So now we've got a red OMNI for trading on Wednesday. Don't forget, the OMNI is a day trader. It could be bullish on Monday, bearish on Tuesday, bullish on Wednesday, bullish on Thursday, bearish on Friday. You don't know what you're going to get from OMNI till the market closes. I do my homework and we see what's going to be for tomorrow. So market closed Tuesday afternoon. I did my analysis. It flips to a red OMNI for U.S. indices. All right, so we'll deal with that. Let's see what else is out there. Take a look at this one. NASDAQ. From a market that looked like it was recovering to a market that immediately shapes into a bear flag. A bear flag develops in NASDAQ. I think that's a bear flag. Looks like it is one to me. Ever since it fell out of this bull channel, which was a very nice, smart channel, it has developed a pole and now a flag, and we'll see what we're going to get on Wednesday. Once again, don't forget, we've got a red OMNI for trading U.S. indices, most of them, not all. So we're going to start off by selling rallies. If we can get a fill in NASDAQ, S&P, we'll see what happens. Traders, if you like these videos, if they're helping you, please like them now right below. Share them with your friends. Share them around the internet. And please subscribe. Thank you so much if you would subscribe to this channel. We'd appreciate that. So you can always find me at livewithoscar.com in my live trading room, but that's another story. So NASDAQ has a red OMNI. E-mini S&P has a red OMNI. So there's the transportation average and the Dow. So we'd be looking to sell the rallies if we were going to do anything for trading on Wednesday. There's another market that's interesting. Look at this one. Gold market looks very interesting here. We had our pause. It showed it did not want to get through that triple top area, right? Stopped, stopped, stopped again. So could not get through the triple top area, and it has been going down. And the OMNI, believe it or not, is red for trading in gold. We've got a red OMNI there as well. So being that we've got a red Omni in gold, we're going to look at possibly the short side. Now, when I tell you we've got a red Omni, whether it's a NASDAQ gold or any market at all, we don't just jump right in and go short. You know what I mean? The Omni waits for a nice fat rally to a specific level. It's predetermined. Then it will get in and expect some downside. So even though we say we've got a red Omni, we're not just going short. There's specific levels Omni will trade at. And those are in my Platinum subscription. If you are one of my Platinum members, you will receive a flash pop-up whenever we're going to trade. So that's gold. Looks to me like it's probably want to come down. So, do you think gold's going to come down now and hit the bottom? Because it basically has been consistent. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, bottom, top. Consistency, right? Should it come down here now? Tell me what you think. Let me know below this video. If you think it's going up, tell me that. If you think it's going to come down and reach this, which is what I think, but hey, doesn't matter what I think. I follow the Omni on a day-by-day basis. But it looks like it wants to come down. Let me know what your opinion is on that. And then don't forget, right now, at least for the next 24 hours, we do have a red Omni in our U.S. indices. That looks like a bear flag to me. I don't know why you wouldn't call it one. I certainly can map it out. So now we'll deal with that bear flag. And remember, got a red Omni. We're going to sell rallies if we can get a fill. Same thing with the metals. If we can get filled. If not, we will do nothing. In other words, a professional trader has a plan and tries to enact the plan. So you plan a trade and you trade the plan. If your plan does not get filled, if you are professional, do you know what you do? Nothing. You don't trade that day. Not trading is as professional as getting a fill. You know, it's not professional. Expecting the market to reach a certain level. It doesn't get there. You jump in anyway due to your emotions, and now you're in a trade that was not pre-planned. We don't do that. So please don't do that. If we don't get filled tomorrow, so be it. Maybe we'll get filled on Thursday. And the next thing is, after putting your stops in, make sure you keep your emotions out. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Come on, kids. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you all for liking and sharing these videos, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.